Hello, welcome to the second video from my beginner series. Today I'll be showing you how to knit a braid on both single and double bed knitting machines. Please leave me a comment if you have any suggestions for future videos for beginners. If you'd like to have access to some more content and support my work, you will find me on Patreon at patreon.com/knitology1x1. I have developed a more complex braid design and patrons are able to download a chart for this design. Thank you so much for everyone who's already supporting me. I will begin with the single bed braid. This is very simple. There are 6 stitches per braid. In this example, I left one needle out of action each side. That will create 2 ladders. First step is to create a 2x2 cable with the 4 stitches on the left side, like so. I will be knitting 4 rows in between every cable. For the next step, I will create another 2x2 cable with the 4 stitches on the right side, followed by another 4 rows. And that is it really. You will have to continue alternating these cables from left to right every 4 rows or as many rows as you want to knit in between. In order for these cables to look like a braid, there is only one rule you have to respect, and that is to always cross the cables inwards. When you knit a braid on a single bed, if you have a ladder each side, it will make it more pronounced, or you could always use a latch tool and knit this ladder up to create a purl stitch. In this sample, I did lots of braids next to each other, and you can already see that they are actual braids. Here is a little chart for the braid. If you have a double bed knitting machine, I will show you how to do a braid on a mock rib. I have just finished knitting my 1x1 rib, and now I will transfer 6 needles in the very middle onto the main bed. That will be the braid as you've seen before. I will transfer 1 needle each side of that braid onto the ribber bed. There will be a purl stitch on the right side. And both sides I will transfer for a 1x1 mock rib for 3 stitches. I will grab loops to form stitches like so. Once the needle formation is ready, don't forget to rock the bed from P position to H position and knit 2 rows. Just as before, I am creating the braid by doing the 2x2 cable. For the mock rib, the same rules apply. Cross 2 stitches to form a 1x1 cable, always crossing the cable inwards as before. For the mock rib braid, I did a cable every 2 rows, alternating them as before. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was easy to follow and you've learned something new today. I will see you next time. Bye!